Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video I will show to you that taste with a local brand and foreign brand. Stay tuned. My first local brand, my seeds. I buy these seeds cost 50 pesos at Tabunok, Talisay City. Kapanit na ko ni kay para protect for our sunlight and kaninga seeds. Ayos nila ko pag beach picture mo. Second, my local brand, my cup. This cup, my favorite, made Philippines, is a good for use to protect the sunlight. This cup give a young corn. Kaning akaw, giyatan ni sa ako angkol pagbalik din ako. My first foreign brand, basketball sauce. This item is made from America basketball sauce. My auntie gave me this and I love to wear it. Nasuot nila ko katong niapili ko liga diri sa among barangay.